Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Jones, and this unit of science, we're going to be talking about resources. You can find study materials for this unit in your science folder from back to school night. So, in this unit, we're going to be talking about different types of resources that we use in Virginia. Today, we're going to be talking about the first three types of resources in Virginia. And one of the resources that we have in Virginia, you've heard since kindergarten. It's called natural resources. And natural resources are things found in nature and are not handmade that we use to make things. So if humans aren't creating it, but it's created by nature, that's what a natural resource is. Here are some examples. Coal. Humans can't make coal. It develops over thousands and thousands of years. So it's made by nature. So therefore it's a natural resource. Oil is made from plants. Humans can't create oil. So it is a natural resource. Rocks. Land. Air. Trees. Wind, and plants. And there's many more types of natural resources that aren't listed on these pages. These are just a few examples of natural resources. And remember, natural resources are resources that are made by nature. Humans cannot create natural resources. The next type of resource that we're going to be talking about is human resources. Human resources are when people who do the work to make goods or produce services. So people who do the work to make goods or services are considered human resources. Here are a few examples. A miner. They use the natural resource coal and they help mine it. They use explosives and they use tools to get it out of the ground. Therefore, they're a human resources. They are providing a service for us using the coal, which is a natural resource. Lifeguards use the natural resource of water. They provide a service for us to help keep us safe. A glass blower. A glass blower is going to use several natural resources, including sand and fire, to help make glass. A hunter is going to use natural resources of trees and wildlife so that they can have food. Construction workers use natural resources to build things for people. Farmers use natural resources to provide food for others. Fishermen uses natural resources to provide food for others. All of these that you see here are considered human resources because they provide us with a good or a service. So we've talked about natural resources are resources that only nature can make. Human resources are when people do the work to make goods or services. And our last one, capital resources, are machines, tools, vehicles, and information. Those are our resources. Here's some example of capital resources. Tractor trailers, it's a machine. School buses, forklifts, cash registers, and computers. These are just a few of the capital resources that we have. I love vanilla ice cream. However, we use multiple resources to get vanilla ice cream to our homes so that we can eat it. It first has to start off with natural resources. Our natural resources are cows and milk and vanilla beans. Both of these are not created by people. Humans can't create cows and humans can't create vanilla beans. It's all done by nature. However, we're going to use natural resources, milk and vanilla beans, and then we're going to add human resources. How do we have a cow, and how does a human resource play into getting us the vanilla ice cream that we love? Well, someone has to milk the cows. So that's where our farmers are going to come in. Our farmers are going to be human resources. Humans also have to harvest the vanilla beans that are used to make vanilla ice cream. So we have natural resources, milk and vanilla, and then we're going to add human resources to it. Farmers who milk the cows and farmers who harvest the vanilla beans. Now, we're going to see how human and capital resources play into us getting ice cream into our homes. First, we have to have a factory. A factory has to produce the milk and the vanilla beans and make it into ice cream. Then we have the tractor trailer truck that delivers it to our grocery stores. From there, we have people who stock the shelves. From there, we have cashiers who check out our ice cream for us at the store. So, from the factory to the grocery store, we have human and capital resources. Humans are helping to do the work along with machines, which are capital resources.